everybody, welcome to my crochet nook. I'm Linda and today I have a very small yarn haul. I saw this company on Instagram, Vicki Brown Designs, and they do skeins of yarn, and so went across to the website and had a look, and they do the mini skein club, subscription club, but you can buy a one-off. So I thought I'll buy the one-off and see what the yarn's like, and it came so in this little box. I have opened it but I've not peeked yet. So I want to get into making socks, and it comes wrapped in a nice tissue paper with the logo design, and I plumbed for the ombre, and you get 5 skeins, and I went for, you have a choice, either DK or finger sock weight, and I got the finger sock weight, and this is what I got. And now you all know I love the blues and the purples. My favourite colour obviously is purple, but I'm really pleased with the colours on this. I chose the ombre, and this is beautiful. It is 20 grams, 85 meters, 4-ply sock, 75% superwash merino and 25% nylon ombre, and this is just beautiful. There's little flecks of the darker blue in it, and then you go to like a stone wash, and this is the number 2, and they've all got little labels on, and this is the 3. So then you go to blues to purples, and really nice, and then you've got the purple, and they're numbered, so you know, you can go in, and then this is number 5, and they've got the pink, and they've got little specks on. So I'm really pleased. It's really nice. It's nice to touch. There's just a little bit of a halo on it, but I'm really pleased. And what she's done as well, she's numbered them in order, so which is really handy, isn't it? So I'm really pleased with that. So I think I will, Rick's always asking me what I want for my birthday or for Christmas, so I think for Christmas I think I might get him to get me the subscription for next year for these. What do you think? I'm really liking these. So it's a company based here in the UK. She's called Vicki Brown Designs. She is on the on Instagram, but I will put a link below. And I paid £19 for this, which isn't too bad really, because I've got 100 grams of 100 grams. So yeah, just short of 500 meters. So they will be nice. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do with them. I might, I'm not sure. I'll have to have a think about that. Might be a nice cowl. Is it scarfable? Is it wearable? Yeah, it is. So that's my little haul from Vicki Brown Designs. Again, check her out, and she has some other yarns as well, and I think she just has other different subscriptions and that. But as I say, check the website out for yourself. The link will be below. And that's all from me for today. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I do love reading your comments and I do reply. So all that's left for me today to say is take care, stay safe and be kind to yourselves, and have a fabulous, fabulous day. Bye for now.